are hip, really did those stars they were. And the sawdust girls with the way they talk, they know me hot when I'm down there. The Midwest farmers' daughters really make you feel alright. And the Northern girls with the way they kiss, they keep their boyfriends warm all night. I wish they all could be California. I wish they all could be California. I wish they all could be California girls. The West Coast has the sunshine and the girls all get so tan. I need a French bikini on the White House lawn to buy the palm tree in the sand. And I've been around this creepy world, I've seen all kind of girls. Yeah, but a cool way to get it back in the States, back in the cutest girls in the world. I wish they all could be California. I wish they all could be California. I wish they all could be California girls. Yeah, yeah, yeah,